Good morning, children. In the last class, we were doing revisions on the consonants as well as vowels, right? Today onwards, we are going to look into the chapter of our reader, okay? So, first thing what we are going to see is we are going to begin our first chapter with a prayer. As you all can take page number 5. Let's see, this is a prayer we have to learn before starting our chapters, okay? So, children, this you can see here on the screen, it's written Prarthana. What is Prarthana? In English, we call it as prayer. We all pray, right? We all pray to God, right? To give us strength and give us good knowledge to study well, right? To write our exams well. So, we do pray every day. And here also the prayer is from children to God, stating about their happiness and their studies, okay. So, now let us see in detail. Before that, again I would like to tell you, this is a prayer. So, what do we call prayer in Hindi? Prarthana. Can you repeat with me? It's Prarthana. Yes, it's Prarthana. We say in English as prayer. So, shall we read? I will read this first once, then we will read it together. I will make you understand what this prayer means, okay. You can concentrate on the screen now. I will read this prayer to you one by one. You can listen to me carefully first. शीश झुकाए विनती करते प्रभु हम बच्चे आपके, खुशी भरी ये जिंदगी हमें मिली है आपसे। शिक्षा ऐसी देना हमको, भले बुरे का ज्ञान बढ़े, एक साथ मिलकर सीखे, बड़ों का सम्मान करे। बल साहस बुद्धि बढ़े, प्रगति करते आगे बढ़े, आपसी वैर भाव मिटाए, प्रेम से सबको गले लगाए। शीश झुकाए विनती करते प्रभु हम बच्चे आपके, खुशी भरी ये जिंदगी हमें मिली है आपसे। It might be sounding a bit tough, but let's start together, okay. First, let's go through this first 4 lines of the prayer. So, you all have to recite with me together. शीश झुकाए विनती करते प्रभु हम बच्चे आपके, खुशी भरी ये जिंदगी हमें मिली है आपसे। This means what? These kids are praying to God. How they are praying? Bowing their head down and just bowing their head down, and they are telling to God that we are children of yours. You have given us this life with full of happiness, which we have got it from you, only from you. God has given us this happiness in life, right? So, children are thanking Him once to God that giving us such a happy life. But how they are praying to God? They are bowing their head and they are praying to God. Now, शिक्षा ऐसी देना हमको, repeat with me, शिक्षा ऐसी देना हमको, भले बुरे का ज्ञान बढ़े, भले बुरे का ज्ञान बढ़े, एक साथ मिलकर सीखें, बड़ों का सम्मान करें। Shall we repeat together again? शिक्षा ऐसी देना हमको, भले बुरे का ज्ञान बढ़े, एक साथ मिलकर सीखें, बड़ों का सम्मान करें। That means what? They are just praying to God that give us knowledge of good and bad, as well as so that we all can together learn, and as well as we can just give respect to our elders. बड़ों का सम्मान means giving respect to elders, okay. बल साहस बुद्धि बढ़े, strength and our braveness and what? Buddhi is like our knowledge. बढ़े means it should increase. प्रगति करते आगे बढ़े, प्रगति means progress. आपसी वैर भाव मिटाए, let us remove all differences between, let us stop fighting within us, and प्रेम से सबको गले लगाए, let us all hug each other with love. Shall we repeat this stanza again? Repeat with me. बल साहस बुद्धि बढ़े, प्रगति करते आगे बढ़े। आपसी वैर, हाउ वी प्रोनाउंस दिस, वैर भाव मिटाएं, प्रेम से सबको गले लगाएं। Let's see the last, again it's repeated, the first stanzas. It's again, शीश झुकाए विनती करते, प्रभु हम बच्चे आपके, खुशी भरी ये जिंदगी हमें मिली है आपसे. So kids are again, children are again thanking God for giving us this happy life. And again, I mean, they are always praying to God to give us the life full of happiness and give us strength to learn and read and understand things very well, and also to understand good and bad in life, and also give us the courage to stop fighting with others and to hug each other and love each other. Okay, so this is the prayer Prathna. We say it in Hindi as Prathna. You have heard me reciting this poem, so what you can do is, as an activity for the day, you can recite this poem in Hindi. Seeing your reader, you can recite this poem in Hindi. Tell your father or mother to just capture an audio of it and do send us in the Teams. So now let's look into the next page of your reader. That's, we are going to learn, the first chapter today is Amatrik Shabd. What does that mean? Amatrik Shabd means the letter without symbols. Only letters we have. We have consonant and vowels together, but two letters we are going to learn. Not on one letter, two letter, okay, together. That makes a word and a meaning, but without any symbols. So Hindi we say it as Amatrik Shabd. Now let us all look on the screen. Do aksharo wale shabd, words with two letters, okay. You have seen here words with two letters here. See this picture, we all know it's a picture of house. So how do we call in Hindi as gha plus ra? Adding gha plus ra is equal to what? Together two letters we are joining, it makes a word ghar. Can we repeat again? Repeat again with me, ghar. Gha plus ra is ghar. That means in English it's house. Okay. Now next word, can you see? Ka plus pa. Ka plus pa means adding ka with pa together a word comes that makes a meaning cup. See here, you can see the picture of cup. In English also we pronounce it as cup. Hindi also cup. Ka pa, cup. Okay. Next is fa plus la. Together fa and la, when we are adding, that makes a word as fal. Okay, fal. That means what? Fruit. We call in Hindi fruit as fal. Got it? Now we have to read and understand this. Padhiye or samajhiye. That means we have to read this word and understand it. So kindly look on the screen. I will repeat these words. You can repeat along with me. Ab, tab, kab, jab. Shall we repeat together? Ab, tab, kab, jab. This means, see, you have seen the second letter is the same, ba. Letter ba is used, the first letters have changed, but still when we are adding these two words to get two letters together, it's making a word which has a meaning. Ab means what? Now. Tab means then. Kab, when. Jab, when. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Ka, la. La. Okay. Ka and la together sounds as kal. Pa, la, pal. Jal, nal. Shall we repeat again? Kal, pal, jal, nal. Okay. See again, the second letter is same. La letter is used along with the other letters, other consonant letters, right? See, it's making a meaning. Kal means tomorrow. Pal means moment. Jal means what? Water. Nal means tap. What we say in null in English? Tap. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Here also you can see the second letter is ha. The first letters have changed, but still adding together those two letters makes a word. Again, yah, vah, tah, rah. Okay. Again, yah, vah, tah, rah. So this yah means this, vah that, tah means fold, and rah means stay. Understood? This again we will read this. Man, tan, one, dhan. Can you repeat with me? Man, tan, one, dhan. This is dhan. Man means what? It's mind. Tan, it's body. One means forest. Dhan means money. Okay, dhan means money. So again we will see the last one. It's var, kar, par, char. Again I will repeat, it's ra. The second letter is ra. How do we pronounce? Ra. So adding verb and ra is var, ka and ra is kar, pa and ra is par, cha and ra is char. So what does this means? Var means groom, kar means do, par means but, and char means spy. Okay, so hope you understood this. You have to read these each words at least 5 times. Read it, okay, at home you read it whenever you get time, so that you can easily get these words. Now let's see the next. Aaye vakya padhe. This is, let's read the sentences with the 2 letters. We have sentences. Let's read and understand what is it. First one is jal bhar. What is this? Jal bhar. Jal bhar means to fill the water. Bhar means fill. Jal means water, to fill the water. Chhat par chal. Chat means what? Roof. Chal means walk. Let us walk towards roof. So chat par chal. So it's saying that we can walk to roof. Ghar chal. Ghar chal means what? To walk to house. Ghar means, you know, house. Even we can say home. So walk to house. That's ghar chal. Okay. Cup rakh. Cup, you all know, we learnt cup. This is the cup. Rakh means to keep the cup. Cup rakh. Okay. Phal chak. Repeat with me. It's phal chak. Phal means fruit. Chak means to taste. So taste the fruit. Okay. So read this when you get time. Read these letters so that you can learn it. Now let's see the last part. This is the word meaning. Shabdat. We call it as in Hindi Shabdat. Word meanings. Let's see the word meanings. Okay. Ab. This is word ab. Ab means now. Reh. Reh means stay. Pal, moment. Kab, when. Tan, body. Yah, this. Jal, water. Tab, then, and man, mind. These are the words which we learned earlier also in the 2 letters. We learned it, right? So likewise, do learn it and do practice at home, as well as understand the meaning of each words. Okay. So children, you don't forget to do the activity which I told you. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet in the next class with the exercise.